Deja vu all over again. Greece is on the brink of financial catastrophe and an exit from the euro. Now, in an effort to buy a little bit more time, the European Central Bank has pumped more emergency funds into the nearly insolvent Greek banks. The ECB is trying to prop up the banks to counter a possible run on Greece. The biggest lenders there, at least until talks resume on Monday. CCTV's Jack Barton reports.
It was a rare sight in Greece this week as pro-EU supporters massed outside Parliament with their country edging closer to the euro exit door.
I don't want Greece to leave the European Union and the Eurozone for any reason.
A concern shared by Eurozone finance ministers after talks broke down on Thursday.
We are dangerously close to a state of mind that accepts an accident.
On Friday, ministers from the single currency area joined their non-euro EU counterparts to rush through a framework for new negotiations ahead of an emergency leaders summit on Monday. Some ministers complained of an uphill battle.
We don't have in our disposition real, actual data, and this is another characteristic of the negotiations.
Time is running out for Greece to access the last $8 billion of its current bailout, which requires the acceptance of deeper austerity. The head of the International Monetary Fund has warned Greece that if it does not repay $1.8 billion by the end of this month, Athens will be considered in default. The European Central Bank also increased emergency lending to Greek banks on Friday. But ECB officials said they were still unsure if those banks would be able to open on Monday. Greek account holders have withdrawn the equivalent of $4 billion so far this week. EU countries have started making contingency plans in case Greece defaults.
We hope for the best, but we now must be prepared for the worst.
A deal could still be done, but it would require Athens to agree to pension cuts, something the Greek government has so far described as a line it will not cross. Jack Barton, CCTV, Brussels.